Okay guys, nagluto tayo guys kayo ng okra. Okra ang lulutuin natin, okay? Magluto tayo ng okra. Ito na siya ang okra natin. Okay, yan ang okra natin. Tapos, lagyan natin ng egg yan. Okra with egg, okay? And then we need to ay, ako, nahanap talaga ako. Ayan. Yan na siya guys. Huwag nyo naman hanapin yung mukha ko dyan guys. Napaka ano yan kasi yung mukha ko dyan. Dito tayo. Waawa naman kayo. Oy. Please put here. Ay, nako. Gusto. Okay. Sabi ko sa'yo guys, magluluto ako. Huwag nyo akong ano dito. Ay, Sheng. What's the heck? Okay? I-off lang muna kita guys, okay? Kasi hindi ko na pasensya na ha. Gumagalaw kasi. Hindi ko lang nakita yung aking yung pinapakita ko guys, yung niluluto ko. Okay, ayan na. Yan na yung ating niluluto. Okay, tapos mag-ano tayo guys ng we just beat the egg. Okay, this is the egg, okay? Okay, just egg. From the top, on the top. From the top, on the top. Okay, we just put a little chicken broth guys para anuhan natin to. Maluto talaga yung okra. Kasi yung okra guys, malabilisan naman to maluto yung okra eh. No? Okay. Okay. Only one egg is enough guys, you know? Only one egg is enough for this. Okay, only one egg is enough. Oh, one egg or two eggs, guys. Wallah. Okay, I will show you. Oh, taran. Okay. I just put chicken broth also, guys, for the taste. And then we will put the maitim na yung mukha ko guys kasi grabe talagang init dito. Alam niyo naman tayo Morena, konting init lang guys, talagang paglabas mo. Ayan. Okay. Ngayon guys, ilalagay na natin yung egg natin dito sa okra kasi very easy to cook the okra guys, you know. The okra is very easy to cook. Wallah, mashallah. We need to put a little salt. Oh my God. You're flying away. Okay. Just a little salt. Okay na yan siya. Pag nagalaway-laway na siya. Oy, laway-laway. Sana all galaway. No? Okay. I hope you enjoy and God bless everyone. We just put also a spring onions, of course, for decoration also guys and for aroma, you know. You know the aroma? Okay. If you know, it's okay. You love. Okay. And then like that. And then put here. Okay. Voila. Okay guys. Thank you so much for watching everyone. I hope you enjoy and God bless. And we need a little cover. We need a cover guys. Cover is good. Yeah. Taran. Okay. That's all na guys. Okay. Okra with egg. 2 eggs. Okay. Just a little minute. Then from the top, on the top. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Thank you so much. And then, after that, taran, we will open the basket, or the basket. Okay, we will open this, and this. Okay. Taran! Oh my gosh. It's so lovely. Yeah. Oh. It's so taran time. My gosh. Okay guys, thank you so much. Okay. Okra with eggs. Okay guys, thank you so much.